Hi guys, it's Pushpensi and welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to discuss all the important items that should be a part of every girl's vanity. These are items that I personally use, so I thought this might be useful for some of you out there. So let's begin. So the first thing जो कि अब मेरी लाइफ का भी एक बहुत ही रेगुलर रूटीन है इज़ शेविंग माई आईब्राउज. दिस इज़ पार्ट ऑफ माई डेली रूटीन नाउ. लाइक आई कैन नॉट stand any hair across my eyebrow. We are living in a lockdown situation and we don't know कि कब तक ये extend होगा and कब तक नहीं. But in last 1 year I think we all have made some जुगाड़ for ourselves ताकि हम adjust कर पाएँ. So eyebrow shaver is one of those things कि मैंने कभी यूज़ नहीं किए थे, बट इवेंचुअली हम जब घर से बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, यू वॉन्ट टू ग्रूम योर सेल्फ एंड फॉर ग्रूमिंग आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन. इससे पहले आई यूज टू डू थ्रेडिंग बट इट वॉज क्वाइट पेनफुल एंड दिस डज नॉट कॉज एनी पेन. आई थिंक आई यूज़ इट लाइक once in 2 weeks or once in 3 weeks एंड इतना ज़्यादा कुछ ग्रोथ नहीं होता है एंड इट्स सेफ. ऑल आई डू इज़ कि आफ्टर आई शेव आई जस्ट अप्लाई अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एलोवेरा जेल और एनी मॉइस्चराइज़र ताकि ज़्यादा स्किन ड्राई ना हो एंड कट ना पड़े. Shaving your eyebrows and upper lip is one of the easiest way of grooming and it is totally painless. These are easily available on Amazon or Flipkart and they are extremely cheap and worth the price. And I make sure that every time I use them, I sanitize them before and after to avoid any kind of infection. The second thing, all my life I was one of those people who used that plastic comb और उस वजह से इतना ज़्यादा हेयर फॉल होता था. सो नाउ आई हैव स्विच टू अ वुडन कोम. सो वुडन कोम का आई डोंट नो बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं, बट द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कुड सी इज़ दैट कि इसको यूज़ करने के बाद मेरा हेयर फॉल नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. हार्डली अ स्ट्रैंड और 2 विल कम आउट, अदरवाइज बिल्कुल भी बाल नहीं टूटते हैं. इट्स वेरी शॉकिंग बिकॉज comb are just similar but this will not cause any damage to your hair and they will stay as it is. It's a good alternative. It's not very expensive, कहीं भी मिल जाती है, but it's preferred to use wooden comb rather than plastic comb. These wooden combs are easily available online and they are very inexpensive. One major benefit of using these combs are that they increase blood flow in your scalp, which can further increase your hair growth a lot. So this thing I have recently discovered and that is an लेंस केस. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी कन्वीनियंट. आई नेवर थॉट दैट कि एक छोटे से बॉक्स के अंदर मेरे लेंसेज, उसका सोल्यूशन, लेंस प्लकर जिसके थ्रू आप लगाते हो और निकाल सकते हो, इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर अवेलेबल. आई थिंक इट्स अ छोटू सा ऑप्शन जिसको आप कैरी कर सकते हो. आई डिड नॉट नो दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस एग्जिस्टेड प्रीवियसली, सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ नाइस. If you wear lenses outside, then it's always a good habit to carry all the things to remove or wear lenses with you. It's a small travel friendly option which can easily fit in your pocket as well. I bought it from Amazon for around 300 rupees, which is not a bad deal. It also have a small mirror inside which makes it even more useful and worth it. So next item that is an important part of my vanity is a lip balm. So this is not just the lip balm, this is a tinted lip balm. This can be used as a lip balm but at the same time ये सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे इसलिए पसंद है because जब भी आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ मेकअप, मैं बस बाहर आई हूँ एंड आई हैव टू वीडियो कॉल समबडी और आई हैव टू शो माई फेस टू समबडी, आई थिंक just applying this on your cheeks can create an illusion of a very healthy skin. एंड आपको नॉर्मल ब्लश यूज़ नहीं करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज नॉर्मल ब्लश कैन बी लिटिल ड्राइंग इफ़ यू आर नॉट अप्लाइंग मेकअप, जस्ट कि आप ब्लश लगा रहे हो. सो दिस इज़ अ हाइड्रेटिंग वर्जन ऑफ अ ब्लश and it's cheap. Lip balm and blush in one, and that too just for rupees 150 is totally worth it. Even just as a lip balm, Nivea has some really good quality and can hydrate your lips for 3 to 4 hours, which is a very good deal. So the next item I discovered was around 2 years back. I never thought that this was such a great use until and unless COVID hit us. So now we cannot just go out and rely to public washrooms. I think this is Pee Buddy, Pee Safe. These days if you just go to a public washroom, you will be very scared to use anything there. It's a very good option because आप इसको use करके you can save yourself from any kind of UTI, or you don't have to squat now. Stand and pee is a great way of just avoiding any contact with public washroom and maintaining your hygiene. It's very quick, easy and convenient. Plus you can just easily carry them anywhere without taking a lot of space in your handbag. And the best part is that you can use it and throw it away and you don't have to carry them again. The next item that I wanted to show you is just a pack of cotton pads. And the best part about using fresh cotton pads are their hygiene. It's totally fresh and touched by nobody at all. In my opinion, when it comes to your skin, your face is the most sensitive area. So I do not prefer using anything like harsh towel या tissues on my face. I prefer using microfiber cloth. So ये इतना ज़्यादा soft होता है. When you're just washing your face and you're just trying to dab it with this, you will not feel anything harsh that is going on your skin. So ये मैंने I think 6 months पहले use करना शुरू किया था and it's quite helpful. And the thing is, when you wash your face, you're supposed to dab it. You're not supposed to rub it. Otherwise your skin can face a lot of damage. So I prefer not using anything except a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloth actually kills bacteria, absorbs all the dirt and oil without being really harsh for your skin. This cloth can gently exfoliate your skin, which also helps in removing makeup and leave your skin soft and glowing. Next thing, I think अब इस टाइम पे ये चीज़ सबके पास होगी, that's a facial steamer. Because of COVID and all, I think everybody understand कि steaming is good for you. But सिर्फ COVID के लिए नहीं, I think steaming helps removing dirt from your face a lot. You don't have to do it like every other day, but once in a week or once in 2 weeks, it allows your skin to breathe. It opens up all your pores and you can just clean them with a scrub, and after that you can apply some good toner. It's really important to apply a good toner after steaming your face so that all your pores can tighten up again and should not trap any more dirt. Steaming your face can give really natural glow to your skin and make it more healthy. Rose water mixed with aloe vera gel can act as a really good natural toner, and it's quite convenient to have a rose water with you in a spray bottle so that you can always spray it whenever you want to feel refreshed. Storing your jewelry in a jewelry box is a great way of storing all the pieces and keeping them tangle free and at your convenience. Bad body odor is a really big turn off, so it's always best to carry a small perfume in your bag just to always smell good. Travel pouches are a great way of sorting all the items separately and carrying them without mixing up everything. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. I'm really active on Instagram. Please follow me there as well. The link is given below. Bye.